She is the writer of well-known or famous novel series Harry Potter. Harry Potter book become one of the best-selling book in the history, and millions of children all over the world read them. Means that book, the Harry Potter book, loved by the millions of children across the world. The central character of the novel series the Harry Potter is Harry Potter, a boy who lives in an imaginary town with his uncle, aunt and cousin. He lives with his uncle's family. He discovered at the age of 11 that he is a wizard, though he lives in a ordinary world of non-magical power. When he was at the age of 11, he discovered himself that he has the power of wizard, or he has the magical power, though he lives in an ordinary world with non-magical powers people. On 3rd February 2000, at an event that organized by an educational publisher, the student from America went online to ask J.K. Rowling questions. And on 3rd February 2000, an event that organized by educational publisher, and there students from America went online to ask J.K. Rowling questions. So my dear students, this chapter represents a part of this conversation or interview with J.K. Rowling and students. First questions asked by a student. Let's learn questions that asked by a student and what kind of answer that represented by the writer J.K. Rowling. First question asked by a student: how did she come up with Harry Potter? For this question she replied that on a train journey she met him, means at the time of a train journey came an idea about Harry Potter. When she was traveling in a train, at that time the idea about Harry Potter's come in her mind. Then another question asked by the student: do she ever meet a boy like Harry Potter? Means does she ever met the boy like Harry Potter? For this answer she replied, she said perhaps met, since she has been meeting readers of Harry Potter book, but Harry Potter was not based on real. Another question asked by the student: are any of her female characters like Hermione modeled after her own daughter? She replied for the question that Hermione based on herself when she was younger. Were you ever involved in a school like Harry Potter school? Then student asked another questions, and the questions was, were she ever involved in a school like Harry Potter's school? For the question she replied that she said no, but she wished she wanted. Another question asked by the student: how long she has been writing? She said that she has finished her first writing or completed her first writing just at the age of 6. Another question asked by the student: does she write every day? And if she is writing for every day, then for how long she takes, or how long time she gives for her writing? She replied for the questions that usually or nearly she writes every day, but not a fixed time is there how long she writes in a day. Some days she writes for 10 to 11 hours, and some days she writes for 3 hours only. How long it takes to complete a Harry Potter book? She replied for it 1 year. When the student asked how long you take to complete Harry Potter book, she replied for that 1 year it takes to complete. Which place she used to write? She said cafe. Then the student asked which place is used by her for her writing works. For the question she replied that cafe. Did she has any help writing book? She said no, she did herself only. Then student asks, did she take any help book for her writing? She said that no, but she said also that she is doing all the things or all the creations are herself only. Then another question asked by the student that does her daughter or teachers help in writing? She said that her daughters or teachers not help in her writing, but her daughter found of reading book and she had the wonderful teachers also. Did she make up the plot in every aspect? Means did she plan what to do with the characters? Then another question asked by the student that did she plan or pre-planned before writing what she would do with the character? For the question, she said that she always has a brief sketch of the main event of the story. Means she first prepare the sketch for the story and that after start writing. How does she visualize Hogwarts in its entirety? Means how does she visualize the fictional British schools of magic for students? Then another question asked by the student, how does she visualize Hogwarts its entirety? Means how does she visualize the fictional British schools of magic for students? She replied for the question. She said it's a huge spreading out in an irregular and unplanned, quite scary and attractive also, and like the house of Wesley's house, and also said it was not a building for who do not know magic. It would be built because it was supported by the magic. Then another question asked by the student, does she has an actual floor plan for Hogwarts or for fictional school? She said no. Then another question asked by the student, was it hard to think monsters' name? She said some of the monsters are from folklore, so she did not invent them, but some creatures she invented and she had fun making up their names. Then another student asked another question, and the question was it hard or it was hard for her to give monsters name? She said that some of the monsters are from folklore, so she did not invent them, but some of them that she has created or invented them, some creatures that she has created them, and she tried of making fun their name also. What made you think of the people's name and dormitories at Hogwarts? She said she invented the names of the house on the back of an airplane sick bag, and also she said she loves inventing names, but also she collect usually names. Then another question asked by the student, do you now or have you in the past kept a journal? If so, do you believe that it helps in your writing? Then she replied she had never managed to keep a journal longer more than 2 weeks. How does she feel to know that millions of kids are reading your book? She said it's amazing. Her feelings, she said that with the feelings that it is the amazing feeling. Would you ever want to consider another job if you had the opportunity for this question, she said that no, she is happy with her job, or she is happy with her job of writing. What would your advice to be other young people that would want to be write story for the student asks about the advice those who wants to be a story writer or those who wants to write story. She replied, it needs practice and practice of reading book which help to understand the ways of good writing, and also she said that it will enlarge the vocabulary. So my dear students, here this chapter is a part of conversation between J.K. Rowling and student represented here.